Hello, this is question 5 of the 2022-2023 Neco examination, and it says in a certain school the principal gave the analysis of the qualified subject teacher in the school as follows. English, there is 10, mathematics 8, physics 4, French 6, and biology 12. The first question is draw a pie chart to illustrate the information. Now, before we can draw a pie chart, we must get the total number of the teachers. And that will give us 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. So this gives us 40. Now, we are not going to get a percentage of that each of the people represent within the flow. So for English, which is the first one, that is 10 over 40 multiplied by 360. So this gives us 4, and this gives us 90 degrees. Now for mathematics, that will be 8 over 40 multiplied by 360. So for mathematics, it gives us 36, it gives us 72 degrees. Now for physics, and that is 4 all over 40 multiplied by 360, that gives us 36 degrees. Now for French, which is 6 over 40 multiplied by 360, and that gives us 54 degrees. So, and the last one, which is biology, that is 12 over 40 multiplied by 360. So, and this gives us, if we divide, this gives us 108 and 08 degree. Sorry for that error. 108 degree. So it is this variable that we are now going to transfer into our pie chart. Now let me write this somewhere so that we can have the board for something for the pie chart. So we have 90, we have 72, we have 36, we have 54, and we have 108. So let me rub this up. So we can now go into our pie charts and construct the pie charts. You must be very careful when constructing the pie charts. The first thing you need for your pie chart is to first take your compass. So you are going to draw a circle. So it must be perfect, and you must indicate the center of that circle. So after that, you take your protractor to measure take your protractor to measure. Now, once you position your protractor and you ensure that the center matches with the center of the protractor, then you now begin to measure. And the first one we are going to look for is 90 degrees. Now we can easily locate 90. So we are going to indicate this is our 90 degree. So from there, we are going to position our protractor such that it matches where our 90 degree ends. So the next thing we have to look for is 72 degree. So I'm measuring. Please. So let me say this is my 72 degree. To save our time, please ensure you are very concise and you are accurate. Now the next one is 36 degree. Let me shift my compass again. So sure it starts from that point as well. So I'm looking for 36 degree. So we ensure that it stays on 36 degree. So sorry for the little variations that I have around. So the next one is 54 degree. I'm going to shift my compass again. My protractor. Sorry. So I'm looking for 54 degree. So 54 degree. So let's say this is my 54 degree. So I'm going to mark that point as well. So the next one, so the last, which is should be 108, and that will take me back to where we started from. Now let me take my say I've gotten right because of the variation that I have before. So now from here we now take our ruler. Let's take our ruler. So that's position it to the center. So you can be drawing as your. So the next one, you just need to be very careful with your measurements. So the next, and we'll shift it to the next. So that is the last one. So we've been able to complete the construction. So we now come here, we indicate. So this is for English, that is 90 degree English. So, and this is 72 degree and that is for mathematics. So for this, we have 36 degrees, and that is for physics. So for this, we have 54 degrees, and that is for French. And for this, we have 108 degrees, and that is for biology. So we've been able to draw our pie chart. Now the next question says, if two teachers are to represent the school in the workshop, what is the probability that both will come from either physics or biology? Now let me run this off. So the question is, the first thing for the probability, let us write the total number of teachers. Total number of teachers, that gives us 40. Now the focus now is physics and biology. Physics, we have 4 teachers in physics, and biology, we have 12 teachers. So the probability of physics, we are going to look for the probability of physics, and we are going to look at the probability of biology. Now, because we are looking for the probability of is either physics or biology that will go for the workshop. So we are going to look for the probability of physics, and we are going to look at the probability of biology. So we now just oppose the two. Now, probability of physics now give us, for 2 teachers to be represented from physics, now give us 4/40, and this is the probability of the first teacher in physics. The probability of the second teacher will be 3/39, because one has been chosen, so the entire number of teachers remains 39. So probability of biology, so that gives us 12/40 and 11/39. So it is now either physics or biology. So now probability of physics or biology, that will now give us 4/40 multiplied by 3/39 plus 12/40 multiplied by 11/39. Now let us simplify this. 4 here 1, 4 here 10, 3 here 1, 3 here 13. So we have 1/130 plus 4 here 3, 4 here 10, 3 here 1, 3 here 13 plus 11/130. So let us find the LCM. That gives us 130. So this is 1 plus 11. So that gives us 12/130. So 2 goes here, that's 6, and 2 goes here, that's 65. So the probability of either physics or biology is 6/65. So that is the solution to question number 5. For any comments, please, or for any question or for any query, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it and put more explanation wherever you want. And it is a series on 2022-2023 Neco examination. If you have for the solutions to other questions within the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, solutions like this, you'll be able to get first-hand information about them. Thank you very much. Until I see you next time, please be good.